Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Jai Dong. I'm out here in Corona, California. For all my investors out there, I have an amazing property under contract today, and this property can make you anywhere from $60,000 to $80,000 margin. As you can see, check out the beautiful view. This property right here is 2,000 square feet. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, which can be converted into a 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bath. And this property has a 0.7 acre lot. And I don't know what the zonings are around here, but I will send you out the address so you guys can check out the zoning. If you're a developer, this will be a great property opportunity for you to put condos, multifamily, quadplex, triplex. Okay, so are you guys ready to see the property? Let's go. Follow me here. As you can see, this is an amazing, this is just so much. It just goes so much further back. You know, if you knock down that tree, it's just a lot of land right there. There's another big tree. Okay, so we're just gonna show you a little bit outside of the property. Okay, as you can see, foundation and all that, it needs a little bit of work. Plumbing, the roofing was done about 15 years ago. Okay, the last time we had a contractor come out here and bid, the cost of repair was going to average $80,000 to $100,000 in repairs, just to let you guys know that up front. Okay, so you don't come in here and like, wow, the repairs are just so much. This is a big house. Okay, all right, so now what we're gonna do is let's go inside. Put on my mask. Okay. Okay. All right. Shoulders. Okay. All right. Let's go.
$340,000 last year. Where's my $100,000?
Okay.
Yeah.
You know.
There's a half bathroom in here. This is a little small, little studio room right here. Okay. As you can work, it just needs a total makeover. Windows, flooring, roofing, ceilings, lighting, fixtures, all the above. Okay? Alright, let's go into the living room. Okay? Show some of the walls up close. Okay? I'm gonna come in here and make a little kitchen. This is your guys' kitchen. Look at the cabinets. Door. Okay. And this is the living space, right? Okay. You can see the living. Okay. This is another bedroom. The bedroom here. And a little small little room in here. That's a closet actually, but they turned it into a little small room. Alright, so come. Another bathroom right here. Take a picture of me. Okay. Last but not least, this is the third bedroom. Okay, now we're gonna show you the outside again. Okay, we're gonna go around. No, follow me. We're gonna go around one more time.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna go around one more time on the other side of the house. I'm telling you, this house is so huge. Okay, just to show them, baby right here. Just to show them what work needs to be done. So we're gonna walk around right over here. Okay. Just to show you how great amount of space this property has. Like literally, just like look at behind that tree. Behind that tree, there's at least another. Whew, I don't even want to go behind it. It's just so far. I'm not here to work out right now. I feel like a workout. So you guys just come right here. There's another big tree. Look at this. Right here. I don't know why they have a little wall right here, but you know, some people, they like to, maybe they're doing some wall climbing or rock climbing. Who knows, right? All right. Oh man, it's a workout, man. See the windows? There's a lot of updates. Okay. So look at this. This is an amazing thing. You see this right here? That's I don't know if that's the side or the back of the house, but right here, boom. There's your $1 million view. Right here. That's your $1 million view right here in Corona, California. Okay? Alright. And we have the garage. We gotta show them the garage. This is the garage right here. Okay? Alright. So thank you guys for watching. And if you're an investor out there who's serious about purchasing a property like this may not last long. It's a limited time. So please make your decision and please give me a call or text and I will run the numbers with you. And if this sounds like a deal that you're interested in, please, let's make the right move, okay? All right, God bless you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.